Alrighty, Chef Buck here, and today we're going to cook up a fancy pants bean dish. This is mostly canned ingredients. We're going to have a few fresh ingredients, but mostly we're using a variety of beans. You know, some kidney beans, some dark, some light. What else we got in here? Some black beans, but use whatever kind of bean you want. You know, the more variety you use, then the more texture and color you're going to get to this dish. So go ahead and get your beans drained and washed. Then get you a skillet on medium-high heat, and we'll start to cook this stuff up. Some rough chopped onion and bell pepper. You know, a large onion and a large bell pepper and some garlic. You know, throw those in your skillet. Get those cooking. You know, let them cook away for a few minutes, and then we're going to throw some fresh rosemary in here that we chopped up super fine, and it's quite a little bit of rosemary. But you know, you're going to have a lot of tomato and bean in this dish, so you want a lot of flavor. You know, I put some ground thyme in here. Some red pepper flakes, you know, adjust that to taste. But again, you know, the more bite you have in this dish, the better. Because look at all this tomato that we're putting in here. You know, one big can of crushed tomato. So you're going to need a lot of flavor, you know, to give that some punch. A little bit of soy sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, and, you know, just a teaspoon of that. But boy, that is plenty. A little bit of brown sugar, and then some stone ground mustard, because this is a non-yellow mustard zone right here. Some apple cider vinegar, and then a little bit of broth. I'm putting chicken broth in here, but you can make this a vegetarian dish, you know, just by using vegetable broth. It's still going to taste fantastic. We're going to throw a lucky bay leaf in here and a little bit of eye and newt. But if you don't have eye and newt, you know, you can go ahead and throw some salt in here. And then we're going to put a little bit of black pepper. We still got it on medium-high heat, you know, so let it come up to a bubble. Then we're going to throw our beans in here, all these different kinds of beans. But different kinds of beans are going to make it look and taste better. It's going to feel better in your mouth. Mouth feel. I shouldn't even say that. It doesn't sound right. But go ahead and reduce the heat down to low, and then we're going to let it simmer away for 1 hour, you know, give it an occasional stir, and it's slowly going to cook down. And this is such a rich, flavorful, tasty dish, man. It's beans, but it's just awesome. You know, it goes great with chicken, meatloaf, sandwiches, whatever you want. You know, it's really a fancy pants bean dish, which doesn't seem like it should be. But if you like barbecue beans, you know, you're gonna like this. This is like barbecue beans plus. I don't know what else to say. So give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. And bon appetit, man. Beans.